Page 288. Marlon is in the 11th grade and has a part-time job. His parents gave him a car for his birthday, but he is responsible for paying for his car insurance and gas. Marlon's budget for the month of April is shown below. His budget assumes he will work at least 23 hours each week at an hourly rate of $7.50. The income shown in Marlon's budget is after taxes. So this is his gross income. No, I'm sorry. This is after taxes. That's what it just said. So this is what he takes home. This would be what we call his net income. And monthly net income is $505.50. So let's go down here. Identify the fixed expenses in Marlon's budget. Give an explanation as to why each expense is fixed. Okay, so fixed means it's not changing. So his savings is, we're going to assume he's saving $69 every month. So savings would be fixed. Car insurance does not change unless you get in a wreck. So we're going to assume he didn't get in a wreck, so his car insurance is also fixed. His cell phone could be fixed. If it's unlimited data or unlimited talk and text, it could be fixed, or it could be variable if it changes. If he has to pay per text or per minute or per gigabyte, per gig, then it could be changing. So we could put, we'll put a little star by it. So cell phone could be fixed or could be variable, and then that's it for the fixed. And so they're fixed because not changing. They stay the same. They stay constant because they do not change. Okay. Number 2, identify the variable expenses in Marlon's budget. Give an explanation as to why each expense is variable. Now, variable means it will change. So the things that will change, well, his gas is going to change depending on how much he drives. His entertainment is going to change depending on what he goes to do for entertainment. And his personal grooming, like buying clothes and buying soap and different things, that's also going to change. And then his cell phone could be or it could not be, depending if he's paying per minute. So we could put cell phone with a little star or a little asterisk. And then variable because they change. That's what variable means. They change from month to month. Now, number 3, approximately what percent of Marlon's total budget does he allot for variable expenses? Okay, so his total budget here, they tell us, is $402.16. So 402.16. That's his total budget. And his, for variable expenses, so that would be his gas, which would be $70, plus his entertainment, which is $40, plus his personal grooming, which is $45. And if we don't include the cell phone, that would be it. So without the cell phone, it would be $155 out of $402.16, and we can just type that into our calculator to turn it into a decimal and then a percent. So we've got 155 divided by 402.16, and that's going to give us 38.5, roughly 39%. So I'm going to make these squiggly. Roughly 39%. Now, that's without the cell phone. Now, if we included the cell phone, we'd have to do 155 plus the 65.24. So with the cell phone, it would be $220.24 out of 402, and that would give us, let's see, 220.24 out of 402.16, and that's roughly 54.7, roughly 55. So if we are including his cell phone as being a variable, it's roughly 55% of his total income. Now, if he picks up an extra 4 hours shift at work, he pays 10% in taxes on his earnings. How much money does Marlon have added to his disposable income? Now, this book is considering disposable income to be monthly net income, that's after taxes, minus the monthly expenses. Okay, but according to the dictionary, according to Wikipedia, according to the internet, this is actually discretionary income. It's not disposable. Disposable is just after taxes, according to what I found online. So this is actually what we call discretionary. That means you can use it at your discretion. You can use it to buy shoes or buy anything else because you don't have to use it on bills. You don't have to use it on any of these necessities. So it's called discretionary income. So if he works an extra 4-hour shift at $7.50 an hour, 7.5 times 4 gives us $30. So he earns $30, but he pays 10% in taxes. So 10% of 30 would be, move the decimal one time to find 10% of a number, so that's $3 in taxes. So if he makes $30, that'd be his gross income, minus the $3, his taxes would give us $27 added to his discretionary income, an extra $27 to spend however he wants.